Hey everyone, you are in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to chat on Duolingo. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, I want to say that Duolingo used to have friend interaction, but in the latest update, friend updates and messaging features were removed. The app now focuses more on learning, and social features like direct messaging are no longer available. So let's just open Duolingo. So since Duolingo no longer has a built-in chat, here's how you can stay connected with friends. Alright, so you can use Facebook or social media. Many Duolingo users create groups or page to discuss and practice language. And also you can join Duolingo communities. You can find learnings group on Reddit, Discord, or Facebook, where people can chat about their progress. So that's it. Now you know why Duolingo removed chat features. Thanks for watching and take care.